Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Noelia. I talk about all things curly, beauty, and lifestyle. So you guys know what today is. Drum roll. It's Friday favorites. Yay! I know, I get really excited. But for today's video, I'm actually going to share with you guys one of my favorite DIY hair and face masks. So it's the same mask that you can use for your hair. You can also use it for your face, minus one ingredient, which I'm going to show you guys how I do that and what I mean by that. This is legit my go-to hair and face mask when I want to use homemade ingredients. So if you guys are interested in how I create this hair and face mask, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video, and I will drop the social handle so you guys can follow me on there as well, and keep on watching. Alright guys, so let's talk about the ingredients that go into this hair and face mask. So the hair mask actually has one additional ingredient that the face mask doesn't have, just because it's a little bit too abrasive for the skin, but I will get to that when I get to that. First ingredient that I use for this hair and face mask is avocado. I love all things avocados. For the skin, the oils in the avocado help penetrate, moisturize, and nourish the skin. When I'm telling you guys, it'll leave your skin so soft and moisturized. It will. It's amazing. I love all things avocado. If I could throw an avocado on everything, I definitely will. So when it comes to hair, avocados are actually filled with vitamins B and E, which are amazing when it comes to promoting hair growth, and avocados work really well for dry, itchy scalps. The second ingredient that I'm going to talk about is yogurt. This is another ingredient that is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to your skin and hair. As you guys know, yogurt is filled with probiotics, so it helps with inflammation and redness when it comes to skin. It does an amazing job at moisturizing and hydrating your skin as well. And when it comes to hair, the lactic acid in the yogurt helps remove the dead skin cells and helps deeply cleanse your scalp. And another one of my favorite ingredients for hair and skin is bananas. I love bananas. I love eating bananas. I love using them as a face mask, hair mask. Bananas, I love bananas. And bananas serve as a great exfoliator. It helps remove the excess sebum on the skin surface, and it's loaded with nutrients like vitamin A, zinc, and manganese, all of which are great for inflammation and help treat acne. Bananas help with dandruff, and it also helps make your hair super shiny. So due to the high silica content in bananas, it helps make your hair shiny and it helps treat frizz. Due to all the antioxidants in bananas, it also helps promote hair growth. So I don't want to make this super long, so I just want to touch up on each ingredient just so you guys have an idea as to why I use them all. So my next ingredient is honey. Honey, I love honey. When it comes to skin, honey is filled with antioxidants which help promote skin elasticity and keeps your skin nice and firm, supple, and soft. When it comes to hair, honey is a natural humectant and emollient, and honey does a very good job at strengthening your hair. The next ingredient I'm going to talk about is Jamaican black castor oil. So again, another one of my favorite oils. I know it's a very thick oil, so you're probably just like, why would I put that on my face? Again, we're not adding a lot to the mixture since we are dividing it. You're not actually adding the amount directly to your face, if that makes sense. When it comes to skin, Jamaican black castor oil is actually amazing at treating scarring, and it helps with moisture. And when it comes to hair, we all know Jamaican black castor oil is very moisturizing, helps strengthen the hair, and it helps seal split ends. I don't know about you guys, but I love adding Jamaican black castor oil to my ends because it makes them feel super moisturized and strong. And the last ingredient I'm going to talk about is the one ingredient that separates the face mask from the hair mask. So I'm going to talk about peppermint oil. So the peppermint oil I specify in the video as well. It is not in the face mask because it is very abrasive on the skin. I know that adding maybe 1 or 2 drops wouldn't be the end of the world, but I didn't want to risk anyone else getting hurt in any way, so I decided to remove it as a whole. Peppermint oil is not bad for your skin. It does need to be diluted. I just didn't want to risk it, so I decided to not put it on my face either. I've said it so many times on my channel how much I adore peppermint. Peppermint is life. I love all things peppermint. Let me tell you, if I could dip my life in peppermint oil, I definitely would because I absolutely love it. Peppermint actually contains antimicrobial properties, so it keeps your scalp super healthy and clean, and it's also amazing when it comes to increasing the blood circulation on your scalp. So you're probably just like, what does that mean? So increasing the blood circulation to your scalp actually helps promote hair growth. So that's why a lot of people do a lot of peppermint scalp massages, because peppermint is amazing at promoting hair growth. So that's just a brief little overview on the ingredients that I use for the face and hair mask. So keep on watching so you guys can see exactly how to create this mask and how to apply it and how long to keep it in. And I will check in with you guys right after. Alright guys, so once your hair and face mask are on, just set a timer on your phone for about 20 minutes. And once the 20 minutes are up, just rinse both off and style your hair as usual and go about your regular skincare routine. I just wanted to demonstrate for you guys how I apply both of them. Just remember, the face mask does not have peppermint oil because it is very abrasive on the skin. Just the hair mask has peppermint oil. So I did go ahead and add peppermint oil once I separated them into different bowls. So I put the face mask in one and then the hair mask in a separate one. And that's when I added a few drops of peppermint oil to the hair one, not the face. Now that we're home, nobody wants to go out and pretty much risk getting sick over getting a hair mask or getting a face mask. So there's so many home ingredients that you can use to create your own hair and face mask, which is why I'm trying to do as many DIYs as I can, because I feel like they're super helpful, especially during a time like this. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the alerts so you know when I post my next video. Comment down below if you're going to try this or if you have any other ideas for a DIY that you want me to post about. Otherwise, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching.